Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to download files in Microsoft Teams. This is incredibly useful when you need to access shared documents offline or save important files to your local device for future reference. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your Microsoft Teams application and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your workspace. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by the Teams dashboard where you can access all your conversations and shared content. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation panel with several options. Click on Chat to access your messaging features. This is where you'll find all your direct messages and group conversations, but we're going to take it a step further to locate team files. Next, click on Teams and Channels. This option allows you to view all the teams you're part of and the specific channels within those teams. Teams are essentially workspaces where different groups collaborate, and channels are the various discussion threads or project areas within those teams. From here, find the team and channel where the file you're looking for is stored. You might have multiple teams depending on your organization structure, so take a moment to locate the correct one. This could be a project team, department group, or any collaborative workspace. Once you've selected the right team and channel, look at the top of the screen and click on either Shared or Files. Both options will take you to the same place where all documents, images, and other files shared within that channel are stored. This is essentially the file repository for that particular team or channel. Wait a moment for the page to load completely. Depending on how many files are stored in this channel, it might take a few seconds for everything to appear. You'll see a list of all available files organized by name, date, or type. Now find the specific file you want to download from the list. Once you've located it, click on the three dots beside the file name. These three dots represent the file's options menu and give you access to various actions you can perform with that file. From the drop-down menu that appears, click Download. This action will immediately start downloading the file to your device's default download folder. The file will be saved to your computer and you can access it anytime without needing an internet connection. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded a file from Microsoft Teams. This simple process allows you to keep important documents accessible even when you're offline. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.